Motherfuckers not paying attention to shit.
Exactly, man. Alright, so shit. Pride Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video. And man, today's video, as you can see from the top of the thumbnail, it's a lot going on, man, but it's a lot of fun stuff going on. So, but one thing I wanted to do at first is just reach out, man. I got a subscriber who asked me about the half covers that another subscriber sent to me, and I had put on my car, man. I got a lot sticking up, man, crazy. But I wanted to just show you exactly how I was able to make them fit. So this is for you, big dog. Now my engine bay is not super clean, so yeah. But anyway, here you go. So the issue that I was having was right here with the oil catch can. So what I had to do is I had to shave off this portion here of the half engine cover, and that way I was able to make it fit perfectly. And on this side, I just moved this line up, so I just have it right here sitting on top of that half cover. But yeah, so I ain't stunting on nobody or nothing, so it just says powered by Mopar. Feel me? Powered by Mopar, so that's all we got. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quick, man. Just take a look at it, freeze it, pause it, whatever you need to do, and I hope this helps somebody out, man. Anyway, let's get back to it. All right, so what's going on today is we are headed to a barbecue for a Mopar group, man. That's you know, that ride around GA, you feel me? So what we about to do is just head out here, see if I can show up. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna kind of give them a shout out here, man. So we got Mopar Gang ATL. Feel me? Mopar Gang ATL. And I'm gonna put a screenshot up of the page here, man, so y'all can see. They ride out a lot, you know what I'm saying? Do a lot of fun stuff. So I hit them up, asked them about coming out or whatnot, and they told me where they were gonna meet up at. So that's what we're gonna go do. And we still gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, do this as safely as possible. I know me and Keith are. Oh yeah, Keith, he's going by the way too. Let me back y'all up. So yeah, Keith is going out with me too, so y'all can get to see him. He didn't clean up his ride and everything. I got my GoPro set up right here, so you know what I'm saying, we can do some get some rolling shots for y'all, man, some beef footage or whatnot. So y'all just hang tight, man, and show y'all what's going on, man. If this is your first time at the channel, man, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, man. I got more stuff coming like this, you feel me? And I'll holler at y'all in a bit. All right, peace. Alright, y'all, we here, man. It's at a park over here in Decatur, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what this thing looking like, but so far, it's a lot of Mopars, I say that. So, take a look around here. Damn, piece of plastic flew up. Shit, that should have been the first thing I did. Yeah, buddy. Son, okay, good. Let me just handle that real quick. Gotta watch for stuff flying up off the road. Yeah, it got a little, it ain't nothing bad though. I just took it off my finger. Shoo. Boy, that was about to be close.
I saw that. I was like, oh shit.
That was about to be close.
I saw it fly up. I was like, oh.
Yeah, it was about to be close. I wiped it off already. It was some right there, some up here.
What was it like, you got stuff a little bit?
Just a little bit, yeah. All right, y'all. So we out here at this cookout, man. Y'all see people congregating. So I'm gonna show y'all some of these cars. So y'all just check out this B-roll footage and enjoy it. See. All right, y'all. So Keith was just telling me about basically, and this is, you said RT like business?
Yeah, but I know I need to get credits. I can't remember the other guy's name, but I need to look it up again.
Okay, so well, basically it's a Hellcat supercharger on basically a 5.7 block, right?
5.7 or Scat Pack.
Right. So
392.
Goes back to my question that I ask in a lot of videos. Is it considered up badging? Do y'all think? Because you get that supercharger for the Hellcat, it's gonna have that Hellcat emblem up there. Pop the hood, you know it's a 5.7. You know it's a 5.7 all the way around. But it's got a Hellcat supercharger on it. So is it considered up badging, man? Y'all let me know in the comments below, man, if y'all think that's considered up badging.
The question is, do you have ground to put a Hellcat badge on it, or are you unlimited to the SRT powered badge?
That's a good one. Me personally, I feel like you can put an SR. I don't know. Nah.
You pop the hood and it's a Hellcat badge on it.
Yeah. Me personally, I feel like you got to have the orange block. You got to have that 6.2, 6.4 block in order for it to be considered SRT powered. I feel like everything else is like accessories. That's just me. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. That's a damn good question. That's a damn good question. That's a 392, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, you see the B on the front. Yeah, I'm big on the badges too, dog.
What you think? So, somebody, everybody here? Yeah.
Oh, he got the blue, his emblem, blue on his, and he got blue calipers. And his calipers.
Somebody had posted a video of somebody putting the Hellcat supercharger on the 5.7. So Max makes a kit where you can actually integrate the actual Hellcat supercharger onto a 5.7 or 6.4. Yeah. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit cheaper than going on Pro Charge or something,
because that's $5,000 Pro Charge.
Exactly. No, more than that.
More than that.
So you're looking at. I actually went on eBay and saw superchargers going from 18 to 25.
Come on, man, are you serious?
Serious.
Saying throw that on top of a 5.7 too.
Exactly.
Okay, so now that I know the price, see that's the difference now.
See, I never do that. Either.
Yeah.
Now that I know the price, yeah, I would definitely say I would definitely do that supercharger.
Because the thing is, like you spending, if you get a Pro Charger, you're looking at spending, I don't know, just guesstimate. You're talking at least $7 to $10,000 for somebody to install
and everything
right.
too. Yeah.
So this way, it's a better option as far as a cost perspective. That way, you spend the money for the supercharger and then basically piecing everything together. And Max makes that kit where you can piece everything together. That way, you ain't coming out of pocket for a stupid amount of money.
But it still ain't gonna give it the same thrill of the full. You see what I'm saying? Like 6 point.
No, that's true. Because it's straight out the factory, everything. Yeah.
Right.
Nah, you
get warranty and everything. But my question was, if it's got a Hellcat supercharger on it, and you pop the hood and there's a Hellcat emblem on that supercharger, do you have grounds to either one have a Hellcat badge or you only limited to SRT power? Because technically speaking, it is, you know what I'm saying, SRT.
That's true.
It is SRT power because it came from SRT. You know what I'm saying?
Oh man, yeah. I don't know.
Not saying that I would do it, but just saying.
Yeah. He about to act real stupid.
Exactly.
Don't go left. Don't go left.
I'm telling you.
Cab County down on the left side.
Wrong move. Well,
People hate us.
That was
destroyer
sounding
grade
good
is
pulling up
amazing,
though.
man.
That destroyer.
Not paying attention to shit.
Exactly, man. Alright, so shit.
I ain't even on top.
about it the regular route, man. With let the insurance handle it, man. I'm gonna have to, bro. I don't know no other way. All right, y'all. So basically, what happened is I was following in a line of cars like these passing by here, and the guy behind me was driving this blue Nissan Maxima, wasn't paying attention, and he swerved off to the side and he hit me in the back. It could have been a whole lot worse, but I mean, this is the damage here, so I mean, it sucks, man. It does. It's not that bad. I mean, it's bad. God knows, I hate that it happened at all. Especially with what's going on right now. You know, my wife's car is down for the count, so now mine's gonna be out too. So I don't know what's gonna happen at this point, man. But cops on their way. And we're gonna figure this out, man. But y'all make sure, like I said, in all of my videos, man, y'all be safe out here in these streets, man, and pay attention. You know what I'm saying? These cars are fun. We should have fun with them, but none of them are worth our lives. You feel me? So I mean, it's just a car. I get it fixed. It ain't no big deal. But anyway, man, I'll holler at y'all in the next one. This video is done. I'm out, man. Go follow me on IG, social media. Y'all know all that. I ain't got to get y'all to spill, man. But JR, man, JRTProductions. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Peace.